Oh no.
Oh no.
We're pulling the engine.
No, please tell me you don't see a... Oh! Oh!
Man.
After you've gone, you left me crying. After you've gone, there's no denying. You'll feel blue, you'll feel sad. You lost the only friend that you've ever had. There'll come a time when you'll regret it. There'll come a time you won't forget it. Oh, babe.
You want me to adjust this thing to pull the back more?
Hold on. Yeah, crank that.
Yeah.
Coming up sound?
Yep.
Okay, stop. Let's try. See what slide.
Yeah.
No, that's not the main thing. See if you can get that engine mount.
Oh,
Out,
is that
down.
what we're hooked on? Oh, yeah.
Get your hand down there. What do you need?
Oh, there it is. You're good? Good. Looking fine. All good. Okay, stop.
Yeah, sweet.
Okay, there we go.
Okay, grab the 2x, Marcus. Put some 2x flat where it's set.
A 2x?
Just throw it
This is a
underneath.
2x.
Thank you.
They're both 2x.
Yes.
This is a 1x.
No, that's a 2.
Oh, yeah. Same thing.
Yeah.
That'd be fast.
Okay, we're down onto the 1. Should be free. What time is it, Andy?
442.
Okay, I've
Hey,
got
hey, no one's going to steal it right now anyway.
to go. No, they're not.
Hey, the thing is, pulling it out was the easiest job we've ever done. I want this thing.
Oh,
Ouch.
yeah, that stung a little bit.
Hey Marcus, I don't want to concern you too much, but
Somebody stole your engine.
there's no engine in your
Look
car.
at how big that engine bay is.
You can take a nap. You want to see a classic? See the back engine plate? See, that one's not even tightened against. It's like they didn't want all the bolts tight, so everything
Yeah.
has like the engine mounts, one bolt loose, just in case, you know.
Yeah.
Go back up a little bit. That's good. It ain't ever happening.
Okay, is it 3 or 4?
What's that?
Is it 3 or 4 volts?
4.
4.
All right, quarter turn. Really perfect. You see that movement? That's why it's called a flex plate.
We told the Bolt they could do it the easy way or the hard way, and they chose the hard way.
Yeah.
They did indeed. As did we, apparently.
Okay, towards you and down.
You sure we're not missing
Hold on. Let me get one back in. It must be that pan has a cross bolt. Which hardly any of them do for this purpose. But Jag might have put one so it bolts a tiny bit to the block and the bell housing.
Jag didn't believe in making anything easy on anyone.
It's like, no, you have to be a Jag mechanic to work on this. There's a little tie plate there. You know what?
That's because they knew anybody that was buying a Jag in those days wasn't working on their own car anyway. They were too busy stealing paintings.
True. And
And looking unbelievably dapper and cool at the same time.
Would you mind awfully fixing my car?
Jag, really, they designed this this entire car with the concept of we want to make this car not have to be serviced ever for its entire lifespan, which they only consider to be 10 years.
Okay, then that's legitimate because that's a pretty good.
Yeah.
Well, it is in England, so what did you expect? It was going to last forever.
Yeah, they figured we just want to make it be great for 10 years. After that, that's your problem.
Steal more paintings and you can get a new one.
Exactly.
Yeah, I think these are your mechanics clothes.
As long as you're not spider laden, I don't care.
Hey. No, these are the wrong ones. They're mine,
I'll put
not
my
yours.
hand into a Black Widow angle and be happy.
Hey, no.
Just put it in hard.
Oh, these
They
are
will
definitely yours.
Hey, no.
You wear the same size I do. I mean, you don't, but you choose to.
Because I like gloves to fit, what's the saying? Like a glove.
Yeah, like a glove, not like your skin. Not like, I like my glove to fit like my epidermis.
A glove is supposed to be an epidermis. Alright.
You gotta come all those straight up.
It hooked on something. I got it. See if you can find out what it's hooked on.
See if we can shove it back on.
I doubt we can. We're too out now. I got it. I'm holding fine. Just
It's some sheet metal piece.
okay. That's fine. I'm pretty comfortable right here.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Hey,
There's another one.
whoever designed this, you know what this is? Oh no, we needed something there, okay? Put this on. This was an evolution.
Very important. You don't make me laugh at this moment.
Yes.
So keep talking to a minimum.
Hey guys, I just wanted to take a moment to say that this engine and transmission was not designed by Germans.
I can promise you it would be worse if it was designed by Germans, because they would have some ridiculous proprietary thing that you need special tools for.
But it would work.
It would work until you had to work on it.
Our clamp here anywhere?
Somewhere.
All right, 3 inch, 3/8 inch end wrench.
Warning.
He's gonna turn the wrench, Marcus.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, gotcha. Set.
Oh, that's
set down. Set it down.
No.
Oh, because torque converter stays sitting there. So whatever you do, don't lean that thing forward.
Yeah.
All right, slide it off, and I'll get that torque converter off.
You want to just stick it straight back onto the transmission for now?
Yeah. Hold the tail shaft. Yep.
All right, it's go time.
Okay, so we want it this way, so we're going to lay it down that way.
Okay. Yeah, right.
Alright, let's try it again. I think we need to choke up on it, huh? I think we can the evener, put the small chain through and onto the hook. We won't have enough headroom because it'll get too short on an angle. Let it down. Perfect. This has an infinite amount of instant adjustments. Alright. Alright. Just let that drain for a minute.
The engine had a little leak.
Nice and even. Just keep it moving.
If this doesn't go high enough,
Wait
I'm just kicking it into your truck.
I'll pick it up and throw it in there.
Alright, ready?
Just ease it along. I can get up steep though.
Yeah, I've got it.
Okay. Okay, I'll ease it in, keep it pushed over. That's what we got.
I'll hold it in and to the side.
Yes. All right. And that's plenty far over, just push it towards the floor. Pull it over against the chain sideways. Tip it over.
Oh.
If the chain can't hold it, we're in trouble.
Uh,
yeah. Just
I would
don't
rather
let
just
this
get
move.
up in there and do it myself.
No, you don't.
I really do.
Hey, grab the beam. Grab the beam. Here it comes.
I don't like it. I don't like it.
Get your
I
hand
don't
out
like
from
it.
underneath it. Get your hand out. We can move it around.
It would rather hurt me than my engine.
That's fine, but we have to take you to the hospital.
That's
So
fine.
it's-
I got insurance. Beautiful.
There it is. Its final resting place. I mean, no, wait, no, hold on.
Don't even.
Let's take a nap. It's in the bed.
All right. It is Saturday morning. Saturday? Yes, it is Saturday. It is morning. We just got our 4.2 straight six Jaguar engine loaded into the truck. Transmission is already pulled off. So we're off to the Bay Area. We're going to drop our engine off. The shop's going to go ahead and get that rebuilt for us. So, progress.
Soon, Jack.